How to Get Crazy, Discipline for 2025 with Stoicism, a complete guide. As we approach 2025, achieving your goals requires not just motivation, but unshakable discipline. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy of resilience and self-mastery, provides timeless principles to help you build the discipline necessary to conquer challenges and create a life of purpose. This guide offers a deep dive into Stoic practices to cultivate extraordinary discipline. 1. Understand the core of discipline. Stoic insight. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. Discipline starts with self-control. Recognize that your actions, thoughts, and reactions are within your control, while external circumstances are not. Action step. Reflect daily on what you can control and redirect your focus from distractions to purposeful actions. 2. Define your purpose. Set clear goals. Stoic insight. If one does not know to which port one is sailing, no wind is favorable. Seneca. A clear sense of purpose fuels discipline. Without knowing your why, it's easy to lose direction. Action step. Write down your goals for 2025, prioritize them, and align them with your core values. Break them into manageable steps to track your progress. 3. Embrace the power of habits. Stoic insight. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Attributed to Aristotle, adopted by Stoics, habits create the foundation for disciplined living. Consistent small actions build momentum over time. Action step. Identify one small habit to adopt each month in 2025 that aligns with your goals, whether it's journaling, exercising, or meditating. 4th, practice negative visualization. Stoic insight. Rehearse them in your mind. Exile, torture, war, shipwreck. All the terms of our human lot should be before our eyes. Seneca. Anticipating obstacles strengthens your resolve and prepares you to stay disciplined when challenges arise. Action step. Imagine potential setbacks and create strategies to overcome them. This reduces fear and helps you stay calm under pressure. 5. Master your emotions. Stoic insight. Man is disturbed not by things, but by the views he takes of them. Epictetus. Emotional reactivity undermines discipline. Train yourself to respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively. Action step. Practice mindfulness and self-reflection daily. When faced with strong emotions, pause and ask, is this within my control? 6. Eliminate distractions. Ruthlessly Stoic. Insight. If you wish to improve, be content to appear clueless or stupid in extraneous matters. Epictetus' focus is a cornerstone of discipline. Distractions dilute your energy and prevent you from achieving meaningful progress. Action step. Identify your biggest distractions, e.g., social media, excessive entertainment, and set limits. Create a focused environment for deep work. 7. Develop resilience through voluntary discomfort. Stoic insight. Set aside a certain number of days during which you shall be content with the scantiest and cheapest fare, and ask yourself, is this the condition that I feared? Seneca embraced discomfort intentionally to build mental toughness and reduce dependence on luxuries. Action step. Practice fasting, cold showers, or minimalist living periodically to train your mind to endure difficulties. 8. Commit to self-reflection. Stoic insight. The unexamined life is not worth living. Socrates inspired Stoic thinkers. Regular reflection helps you assess your progress, identify weaknesses, and recommit to your goals. Action step. End each day with a journaling session. Ask yourself, did I act according to my principles today? What could I have done better? 9. Prioritize virtue over pleasure. Stoic insight. Pleasure is the bait of sin. Epictetus. Discipline requires choosing long-term fulfillment over short-term gratification. Action step. When faced with a tempting but unproductive choice, ask, does this align with my long-term goals? 10. Accept failure as a teacher. Stoic insight. The obstacle is the way. Marcus Aurelius. Failure is inevitable on the path to discipline. Instead of avoiding it, learn from it and use it to strengthen your resolve. Action step. After a setback, reflect on what went wrong and adjust your strategy. Treat failure as a stepping stone, not an endpoint. 11. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Stoic insight. Associate with those who will make a better man of you. Seneca. Your environment influences your discipline. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you to stay committed. Action. Step. Join communities or accountability groups focused on personal growth and share your progress.